Hello, good evening. Okay, so let's wait for more viewers to tune in first, huh? Okay. Okay, hello, 左先生, KESM, Wasco in Nature, hello, So King, okay, Inta, HD Padu Sendai SNS, okay, 想进场啦. Okay, Mala of JCYEMCC, okay, thank you, okay, from ND, okay, and Rain Tan, okay, Plytech. Okay, so yep, please help me to click like and also share this video lah. Okay, I think today lesser people I think maybe due to the market sentiment not so good, right? Okay, so today content, let's warm up with the market outlook, which include the US market, oil, gold, cryptocurrency, and FBMK LCI. Follow with the stocks Q&A. Let me know the stocks you want me to review and your plan, whether you are looking for support or resistance. Okay, and disclaimer, all our sharing is not a buy or sell recommendation or just for education purposes. Okay, 裤子掉下来 drop your pants Okay, indeed today market sentiment is not so good as we can see is I think 800 plus of counters is red. Okay, and also okay, if we look back into the US market, okay, actually yesterday they not performed that well. Okay, for the Dow Jones we can see they closed bearish, but not very bearish yet. Okay, until 42 point maybe 333 lah, and 42k. Okay, this is a crucial support for Dow Jones. Okay, if they break below, I think we will see more downside in the market. Okay, they might go to 41k or even lower. Okay, S&P as well. Okay, yesterday, actually Monday is still alright. Okay, but Tuesday closing market not so good lah. Kena rejected quite strongly at 6,000. Okay, looks like market need to have some retracement or some correction lah. So tentatively they are at somewhere, maybe we can put a immediate support 5888. Okay, is a important support for the S&P. Okay, if they break down, we may see more downside lah, probably to 5,008 or even lower. Okay, and also Nasdaq. Okay, even though Monday they have a good comeback, but on the Tuesday they have a strong rejection. Okay, so tentatively they are breaking down below 21.2k and they are testing 21k. Okay, if by end of today, okay, they stay above 21k, still alright. Tapi if they break below 21k, then no good lah. Market may dive down further to 20k, okay, 20.6k or even lower. So for US side, the sentiment not so good lah. Okay, if compared out of these three, I think Dow Jones is much weaker. Okay, compared to S&P and the Nasdaq. And how about our gold price? Is a oil price. Okay, oil price is still rebounding, but they already hit the 200 MAs, which is somewhere around $75. Okay, so far I would say oil wash out on $73. Okay, this is a WTI lah. Stay above, still got chance to challenge or break above 200 MA. But if they close below, then I think a bit susah lah. They may come back down to 72 or even lower. Okay, so for me, we see lah whether they can clear this level or not. $75. Okay, for the oil price. And how about the gold price? Gold price is more on sideways lah. Okay, more on sideways. As long as they are above 2550, they are still alright. Okay, so I will say they are still in a consolidation zone. Okay, so 2006 2550 is a S1, S2, and the resistance 2660, 2720. Okay, this is a gold price. And how about the Bitcoin? Okay, Bitcoin also get affected. Okay, Monday they have a very good closing above 100k, but Tuesday a strong rejection. Okay, tentatively looks like they not much strength and they might come back down to 92k. Okay, so daily candle point of view, of course, is more on the bear side lah. So I think they might come back down to retest the support 92k. And how about the Ethereum? Okay, also a strong rejection. Okay, even though on Monday they have a good breakout above the 3006. Okay, tapi yesterday make a very strong comeback. Okay, very strong rejection down. Okay, so they are going back. Okay, I think they are going back to the 3010 32, okay, maybe 3250 lah is their immediate support. So overall market sentiment, you can see cryptocurrency, US market, the sentiment also not so good. And you can see my list, today's sentiment all is red at the moment, including our FBM KLCI. Okay, yesterday still got some hope as we can see a bullish candle. Tapi they not able to clear the 1630 and have a rejection down. Okay, seems like they are going back to retest the 200 MA's level, which is on 1608. Okay, because as I mentioned before, these few candles is more on window dressing. Okay, first on 26th of December, 27, 30, and 31st of December. Okay, is more on window dressing for FY24 lah. Okay, after that, no reason for them to push up further. So I think they might go back to where they belongs lah. Okay, supposedly should be somewhere around 1608 or even lower, maybe to 1006 level. Okay, so yeah, we see lah any support when they retest this level. So market tentatively they are more on bearish buyers. Okay, I mean the overall bigger market point of view lah, like US market. And you also can see today audience is getting lesser. Maybe also kena also market not so good. Okay, so yep, first one our first Q&A is a review KSM. Okay, let's go. Okay, yeah, despite market not so good today, they also break out. Okay, if not mistaken, okay, this KSM we reviewed, I think, previous live session, not Monday I think, right? I can't remember already, but at least I think my previous comment was they do have volumes when they come back here. Yeah, I think on Monday, right? Okay, so today they have a breakout above 390. Okay, which was good lah. Okay, volume also okay, just that the closing price a little bit weak only. Okay, just a little bit weak. So since they just breaking out, okay, they just break out above 390, then we use 390 as our immediate support. As long as they are above 390, I think the breakout is still valid. Then you turn on the 100 MA resistance. Okay, by the time should be around 440 already lah. Okay, that day I think I mentioned is about 448 or 449 like that. Okay, today I put down to 440 lah. 440 your immediate resistance. Okay, so long above 390, rebound still ongoing lah. Momentum still there. Just afraid that they might affected by the overall market sentiment. Okay, if tomorrow the Dow Jones they still continue dive down. Okay, how about the Wasco? Okay, Wasco is still rebounding. Okay, performing very well. Okay, for me, Monday they already have volume pump out. Okay, supposedly they already hit my target lah. Okay, if based on the rebound trade, okay, 120, 122 is a resistance to take note. Okay, since today they open gap up close high, closing at 127, momentum still ada. Okay, so we can use 122, 120 as the immediate support. Okay, so based on here, I think it's quite interesting. They already pump out so many days with volumes. So if happen, they can retrace and go sideways. I think it's still okay. So long they are above 120. Okay, this is a Wasco. Okay, how about the eNature? Okay, this one still, we can say is a long-term downtrend counters. 2021 onwards. Okay, or we can say 2022 onwards, this counter is in the downtrend. Okay, until today. So we can see all this while the rebound not really going up that much. Okay, so let me delete all the lines. Okay, the only interesting part is these 3 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, the volume improved, but we don't know what they want to do lah. Okay, on and off you can see like last year also got lah. Okay, on and off, they have a huge volume come back. Tapi if the rebound no strength, they might continue dive down. Okay, this could happen again and again lah. So if you're really interested based on today volume and you think it's a bottoming opportunity, okay, then you put you use 18 cents, okay, as their last defense. Okay, so since they have volume here, and if they can stay above 180, maybe they got chance to pull up a little bit more. But on the other hand, if they break below 180, they will have more downside on these counters. Okay, this is a Inature. Okay, next one is a Inta. Okay, Inta, I think on Monday, right? Yeah, Monday they have a quite solid breakout lah. As we can see, this was a very strong resistance back then. Okay, Monday they just break out only. Okay, these 2 days is more on neutral. Okay, so if you interested, okay, most importantly, I would say they need to stay above 50 cents lah. Okay, because 50 cents and 510 was the resistance. Okay, Monday breakout, Tuesday high volume as well. Tapi Wednesday more on some profit taking activities. So for me, ideally is the 510 level, and make sure the price is closing. The closing price is above 50 cents. Okay, above 50 cents, I think is still all right. Okay, so for this case, we trade them as the breakout trade. Okay, breakout 50 cents, breakout 510. Then if they retest, then you can KIV lah. So this one also can do as a watch list. Okay, we can trade them as a rebound trade. Sorry, not rebound trade, breakout trade. HT Padu. This one not so strong. Okay, not so strong. MACD still okay. So yeah, we can see all this one on the pattern. Okay, history may repeat lah. Okay, what happened back in 2024 February until March, then they sideways until September. Okay, so what happened last year? So we can see they have a pull up, then they sideways. Okay, then September they have a pull up again, then now also wash down. Okay, so for these counters, yeah, you need to expect they might sideways for another couple of maybe weeks, okay, or months also possible. Okay, if we base on here, okay, the first retrace, okay, after the pull up, we agak-agak lah, 191 days, so it's about 200 days lah. So if we base on here, yeah, supposedly about April time lah. Okay, if based on the 200 days like that lah. Okay, just agak-agak only. Okay, for this, as long as they are above 200 MAs, I think it's still alright. 200 MAs, which is at a 268 level. Okay, tentatively, you can take note lah. 3 ringgit, 268 is a support level. But what you need to expect is they might take some times. Okay, so based on here, they might sideways for another couple of months, maybe to March or April. Okay, or wait for some volume or some signal come back. Okay, so otherwise you just need to how to say buy and hold. You need to have some how to say this one holding power. Okay, how about the Sendai? Okay, Sendai, what we can see Sendai. Okay, Sendai, they are still strong. So this was the 645 620 was a resistance back in July 24. Okay, 2024. So what we can see, okay, back in 30th of December, they do have a volume breakout, 31st as well, okay, volume breakout, and also Monday, also volume push up, okay, but these 2 days is more on the profit-taking activities, and they also so-called erase the Monday gains lah, okay, which is at 675. 670 would be your immediate support. But for me, ideal level would be somewhere around 645, which was the July 24 punya resistance turn support. So 645 would be your immediate support. And if they go below 620, memang tak berapa cantik. Okay, tapi yeah, this one is still worth to monitor because they are still in the uptrending lah. Okay, so when they retrace, then maybe we can look for the good levels to do something. Okay, so how about the SNS? Okay, SNS, they do have a huge volume pump out. Okay, first day, okay, on 26th of December. Okay, high volume pump out, then retrace 3 days, pump out again. Okay, these few days more on quiet mood lah. But for me, the bullish momentum is still there. Okay, so long. Okay, so long they are above 650, I think it's still okay. Okay, for short-term momentum lah, above 650 is still okay. But yeah, we will never know. Maybe the sentiment might be affected by the global sentiment lah. Okay, if the market sentiment remain okay, not too bad. I think it's still okay. So maybe I will use a 640, 650 as your immediate resistance. So for me, they are still strong, okay? So long you set your cut loss below 640. Okay, if the closing price below 640, then not so strong for the short-term momentum. Okay, they may dive down further, maybe to 60 cents or even lower. Okay, tapi overall, I think based on the volume and structure, yep, okay, watchable. Okay, how about Mala off? Oops. Oh, Mala off. Hit, Okay. Wow, today market sentiment no good. They also can pump up. Very good. This one. Okay, so far, I think the first signal, yeah, even though first signal actually is on 20 also cannot. 26 indeed, they do have a signal. Tapi the volume okay lah, not very huge volumes. Then they pull up almost every day close high. Okay, and today another last push. Not last push lah, another push up. Okay, they finally break out 880. Okay, but they also hit immediate resistance 915. Closing price 910. So for me, this candle is quite long and the volume is there. It's still very bullish lah. So maybe we can use a 880 as our last defense. Stay above and we hope for the breakout. Okay, once they can clear 915, then maybe it's a 960, 1 ringgit level. Okay, so this one I think is still okay lah. So long the closing price don't go back below 880. Yep, still good lah. Boleh tahan lah. Okay, interesting lah. Okay, how about, so I can put, okay, JCY come back to support already. Okay, so what we can see here was a gap. Okay, gap down, turn into resistance. You can see they already tested so many times, unable to clear. Then finally break out above the 540, 525. Okay, now they come back down. So come back to retest support lah. So long the next few days they can stay above 525, I think it's still okay. This considered as a breakout resistance, retest the support. Okay, they make sure the support is supported. They maybe only make a U-turn, come back up lah. Tapi if they go below 525, means this is a false breakout already. Okay, market may come back down to maybe 485 or 475. Okay, so now they are at the support. So we watch out lah. We see whether next few days whether they can get supported well or not. Okay, how about the wrong country EMCC Malaysia. Okay, so 3rd, 6th, 7th of January, they do have volumes. Okay, today also lah. Okay, but the candle is more on neutral. Okay, they not really move that much lah. Okay, for EMCC to make a comeback, they need to have a breakout lah. Okay, they need to break 390, 410. Then they baru boleh jalan. But based on the short-term momentum and short-term structure point of view, I think it's still alright. And the chances for them to touch, okay, for them to touch 390, I think is there lah. So maybe I will put a support 360. So long the price above 360, I think the overall structure is still okay for EMCC. Plytech. Sorry, PLYTT. Okay, Plytech. Oh, seems like they have a little bit resistant. Okay, at here 380, 370. Okay, but the overall structure for Plytech, I guess is still alright. Okay, I guess it's still alright. Okay, just right here. Okay, they are still sloping up lah. Okay, just that the movement okay, the Plytech movement is a little bit slow. Okay, once they pull up, they need to wash down and sideways. Then they wash up, they wash down, they sideways. Okay, this is what I guess lah. So if you plan to go in, yeah, you need to have more patience to wait for them to have a next movement. But overall, yeah, so long they are above 200 mAh, I think it's still okay. So since they are unable to go through the 380 level, I guess they might come back down to maybe test the support. Okay, so by the time maybe you can see somewhere around 3555, 350 as your immediate support. Okay, SIM. Darby. Okay, let's see. This one, okay, this SIM not so strong lah. Okay, to be honest, they are not so strong. As you can see, the trend they are sloping down. I mean in the downtrending channel lah. Okay, since when? Since last year May. Okay, they already keep going down. Okay, the price unable to clear previous high. Okay, so as you can see, at the moment the price is below all moving averages. So I guess they may come back down to test a 221 or 220 this support. Okay, if you really interested with them, I think yeah, no harm to wait lower, maybe somewhere around 22 plus. Okay, maybe 220 like that lah. Okay, then we see any chance. Okay, Bobby Bank. Four, 4, 5 now. Okay, Public Bank. Yeah, so far so good lah. Okay, only short term, mid term, they are more into sideways mode. Okay, uptrend. Okay, long term is still in the uptrend mode. Okay, seems okay. Since we based on the previous trend, you can see they do get resisted at somewhere around 458. Sorry, 457, 460. And when they test here, they might come back to retest this level. So take note on 440, 430. Okay, as your S1, S2. Okay, you can consider these two level as your S1, S2. Okay, so long above 430, I think they are still okay for the long term. Okay, as you can see, yeah, only short term they are more into a little bit weak only. Okay, so take note on 440 and 430. Okay, Bobby Bank covered already. Okay, long term no problem. Okay, so for those who want to invest, of course, wait lower lah. Okay, maybe 430, 440, then you can take note. Okay, how about the Dialog? Dialog not so strong. Yeah, on Monday they already have a rejection. Tuesday, Wednesday not really going anywhere. Okay, so for this case, or if speaking about the last chance, I will put at here low. 182, 184. Okay, this is a support zone for the Dialog. Okay, stay above, maybe still alright. Okay, close below, they may have another dive down. Okay, this one because they are still below 200 MA, so I trade them as a downtrending counters. Okay. Okay, how about the D and O? Okay, D and O. Okay, D and O yesterday they have a huge volume pump up. Okay, follow with some profit taking activities. Okay, most importantly is when the pump out, volume is high. When they dump down, volume is low. So for me, it's still fighable lah. Okay, still okay for the pump and profit taking activities. Okay, so long they didn't makan down all the way below 207, I think it's still okay. But yeah, we will never know. They might happen just like here. Pump out, wash all the way down. Pump out, wash all the way down. Okay, this also possible for D and O lah. Okay, they do happen twice already. Okay, so we see lah. So long above 207, I think it's still okay. But if they go below 207, they might wash down deeper. Okay, this is D and O, and next one. Okay, hello Anthony, or S1, S2, R1, R2 for Avalanche. Okay, this one is still alright. Okay, first signal 18th of December. Okay, high volume. Or even 3rd of January also got good volumes. Okay, then recently the volume diminishing now. Okay, volume is getting lower, but it's still okay. Okay, it's still okay. Okay, since they have a gap here. Okay, they have a gap here, turn into resistance, now turn into support. 3, 2, 330 is your immediate support. Okay, stay above is still okay. And if happen they can go up further. Okay, where is their next resistance? Let me see. 360 and 395. Okay, R1, R2. Okay, if happen they break below 320, basically not so nice lah. Okay, but the next resistance, next support would be your 30 cents level. Okay, momentum, volumes, I guess okay lah. I guess okay. Okay, next one. Okay lah, this one maybe we can put in our watch list. Okay, and monitor. Okay, what I hope is stay above 320 lah. Then would be more favor to the bull. Okay, next one is a red, green, blue. RGB. Okay, RGB is still fine. Wow, surprisingly, they already ready out for 1 month. Okay, just that the movement are not that obvious lah. Okay, you can see 5th of December, they already slowly move up. Even they can break out above 40 cents level. Okay, so for this case, 40 cents for 05 would be your immediate support. Okay, because they has been sideways within this zone. Okay, recently break out. So meaning so long they are above 40 cents, the breakout is still valid lah. Okay, so 40 cents for 05 would be your support zone. And your resistance, why I put 430, I also couldn't remember. Okay, based on here, I will put at the 440 lah. Okay, what's the resistance breakdown? Turn into resistance now. Okay, so 440 would be your R1 and your R2. Use back the previous peak lah, which is back in the July 27. July 24. Okay, which is 475. So 440, 475 would be your R1, R2. Okay, RGB. Okay, watchable lah this one. How about Eon? Yeah, despite the market sentiment not so good, I still see some counters. Okay, today still can perform. Okay, this Eon Credit not in a good shape. Okay, because they already broken down below the 200 MAs and currently below all moving averages. Okay, by zooming in, we can see they do have a bounce out on 20th of December. They bounced from a 6 ringgit and 590. Then here also proven a resistance 636. Once they hit, they gonna reject it down. So overall, they are still, for me, it's pretty bearish lah. Okay, but speaking about the immediate support, yeah, they might need to respect back here lah. 6 ringgit 590. And resistance, yeah, we use back here low 636 644. Okay, if happen they break below 590, they may have more downside, probably to 550 level. Okay, so this one, bear is in control. Okay, how about the MMAG? MMAG. Oh, this one is quite, how to say, I would say the chart is quite difficult to read. Okay, tapi if based on the trend point of view, yeah, of course they are still in the uptrending lah. Okay, so let me see what I can comment. Okay, if we base on the previous pattern, what happened back in 2024, you can see they have a pull up, sideways. They have a pull up. Okay, pull up, sideways. Now they have a pull up. Maybe they might go sideways lah, just like here. Okay, so I would say tentatively their immediate support. Okay, their important support is 40 cents, and immediate support would be 455. So most likely they will just pump and sideways, But when they want to dump, not yet lah. Okay, if they go below 40 cents, memang no good lah. Okay, but this one I will feel a little bit difficult to read lah. Okay, how about the solar district lah. Okay, because if you give me a code I couldn't read here. Let me find from Google. 0321 Bursa. Oh, SDCG. SDC. Yep. Next time you give me the SDCG will do. Okay, otherwise too many stocks I couldn't remember who is who. Okay, so this counter is quite new counters in September, so about 3 to 4 months only. Okay, so far based on the trend, yeah, they have attempt to sell down on 17th of December, but the next day able to recover back lah. They slowly go back, but currently they are at the resistance. Take note here lah. Okay, if you look back, what happened here? Rejected, rejected, rejected. Okay, now they are at here. 560, 565. Okay, this is a resistance zone. Okay, if they are able to clear above, then next level is a 590.60 level lah. Okay, but if they are unable to clear, what I worry is a rejection just like here. Okay, they may come back down just like here. Okay, how about if not able to clear there? Okay, what is the extreme level? Okay, probably around 495.50 level. Okay, so take note these counters, they are at the resistance now lah. Okay, but this is a quite a new counters lah. So we still don't know what pattern they will do lah. Okay, we need at least few years data. I mean few years chart lah. We can see what happened. What they did in the past few years. Okay, for me this one only few months. A little bit difficult to read their behavior. EG, yeah, EG very strong, very strong. Okay, you can see despite today market sentiment, not super weak lah, but consider a weak market lah, but they still managed to push out further. So yeah, very king this one. Okay, how about the resistance? Oh, they already hit Okay, if I base on here, maybe I put here like that. Okay, actually, if we base on the Fibonacci, okay, let me confirm the lines. Okay, yeah, if we base on the Fibonacci, today they already hit somewhere around 271, okay, or 270. Okay, then the next one I will put at the how to say the psychology level 3 ringgit. Okay, then for me it's a little bit overbought kind of feeling lah. So take note 255 as your immediate support. Okay, if they close below, then they may have some correction lah. Okay, just like what happened here, you can see they also overshot a lot, then they have a correction and sideways. So here as well, they also push out quite a lot already. Okay, just matter of time lah. Maybe they want to push out further before have another correction. Sideways only can go up. Okay, like this only consider healthy. Okay, if every day close higher, then you need to worry already lah. Okay, so for me, for ideally is they may come back down, go sideways, then push up again. Okay, this will be more healthier. Okay, like this lah. Push up, wash down, sideways, then come again. Okay, now is a how to say? Now is in a rally, in a bullish mode lah. Okay, just matter where to take profit only. Okay, that's all. So let me see. Okay, so take note. Okay, for this at the moment you can just what we can do is do a trading stop only. Okay, for today we take note on 255 low. Okay, if tomorrow stay above 255 is still okay, and we can aim for the next level lah. Maybe 280. You slowly pull your trading stop up. Okay, so next one. Okay, Black Wednesday. Actually, market. Okay, although yeah, today many red lah, but not until the super black kind of feeling lah. Okay, maybe yeah, we also need to be careful lah. Okay, for today not really good looking lah, because they break below 285. Okay, as you can see, ambulance discounters yeah, actually I was anticipate they might come up to 330 lah, but not happen lah. Okay, so because what I see is they pump out and they sideways here for quite long already. So I thought they are in the accumulation zone. Okay, they may go up, but no lah. Today they break down 285 already. Closing price 280. So based on here, if by tomorrow, okay, they still unable to recover back above 290 or 285 above if by tomorrow still unable to close above then not so good lah. Okay, they may go to 270 or even lower. Okay, today is a first day breakdown with volumes. So some traders they will choose to cut loss. Some traders they will wait for the next day confirmation. Okay, if next day able to close above, then okay lah, continue to hold. Tapi if next day or still struggle at 285, 290, unable to close above, then not so good. Okay, but if you are looking for the potential bottom catch, then wait only. Okay, either we wait 270 or wait for recovery. If they are able to recover back above, yeah, best if 290 lah, then I think you can consider. Okay, but if they continue dive down, then wait low. Okay, so SFP. Oh. Okay, for SSP, SFP. Okay, for me, they already hit my target. Okay, what I will do is I take profit lah if I bought at here. Okay, because here and here and here, okay, 735 is the level. No matter how, I will take some partial profit. Okay, another partial, if I want to fight on, I will see 70 cents level lah. Okay, because currently consider retest 70 cents and 690 level. Okay, yesterday also got some rejection already lah. Okay, so come back down. If they can sideways stay above 690, I think it's still okay. But if they close below 690, sorry lah, tak cantik already. Okay, they may go to 640 or even lower. Okay, how about Notion? Notion, yeah, they also retrace, give you chance. Okay, Notion, what we can see, I also long time no see already, Notion. You can see here, here, and here. They macam keep on ada resistance when they are at in between 137 to 143. Okay, seems like it's a resistance zone for them. So they already tested the whole month, not able to clear. Seems like they might come back down to test a support. So I think opportunity is when they come back 120, 115. Okay, see any support when they come back down here. Okay, if they can get supported, okay, they can stay above. I think, yeah, watchable lah. Okay, watchable. Okay, Kinergy Kinergy got there's some macam cover already. Let me see. Okay, not yet. Okay, this one I will say still okay lah, still okay. Okay, but this is a new counters last year May. Okay, less than a year only. Okay, structure wise okay lah. Then for support, probably I will put at the 835. Okay, they do have a little bit resistant at 880. So what we can see here is actually they already went up quite many days lah. So if you chase, is a little bit chase high already lah. But if you base on the short term trading, yeah, make sure they are above 835 low. Okay, but for me, I won't choose this one because of the risk and reward, and they already went out for so many days. If we base on the percentage, okay, they already up for nearly 40%. Okay, or if you base on the breakout, they already up for about 30%. So how much they can go up further? Okay, for Bursa, as we know, a little bit difficult lah. So for me, not so attractive. Okay, but if already in punya, I think it's still okay lah. Just do trading stop. Okay, how about the 3 人 3人 Okay, 3人 this is a new counters back in November, 6th of November. Today, 8th of January, only 2 months like that lah. So they pump out on 2 days. The third day they rejected down, then they sideways. So what we can see on the 2nd of January, they do have volume breakout, then they sideways lah. So many days. Today also come back to retest the support. So based on technical point of view, we can see 390 was a resistance. Okay, then this breakout turn into resistance. Okay, they pull up to 420, come back to retest. Okay, so long they are above 390, the breakout is still valid. Tapi if they close below 390, they may sideways back. Okay, so yeah, take note 390 lah. Okay, EG we covered already. Okay, in this market we don't simply add already lah. Okay, for Gadang, for me if already in I will start to plan to take some partial profit lah, especially at the 380 level. Okay, so they also pump out. Okay, because this is a 200 MAs. Okay, 380 40 cents level would be my resistance. 380 40 cents. This would be the place at least take partial profit lah, protects a bit. Okay, because these counters is still in a downtrending. Okay, comment on Pekka. Okay, Pekka is still good. Okay, breakout 146. If you're already in, just do a trading stop only. Okay, if you yet to go in, no lah. Okay, because a little bit too high already. So for me, this one, if based on a Fibonacci, next resistance 159. Okay, but for me, the RR is no longer that attractive. Okay, and yeah, a little bit chasing high lah. Okay, if you just plan to go in, but if you already in, then okay, no issue. Okay, how about the D next? Okay, D next still okay lah, based on the current price. Okay, what we can see previously they break out 395. Sorry, 390, 385. Then they come back retest, and then they pump out again. Now come back to retest. So 410, 40 cents, 410, 405 is your immediate support. Okay, so I would say the chances is still there, and so long they don't break down below the 385 level lah, I would say still okay punya. Okay, tapi yeah, we don't know lah, right? Now the current market sentiment a little bit weak. Okay, don't know will get affected or not. Okay, how about the Masing? Okay, Masing a little bit topish in my opinion. As you can see, 184, 192. Okay, Margin a little bit topish, not so strong. But if you're interested, 170, 160, we see any support over there. Okay, review SCG. SCG. Okay, today the trading view something wrong. Cannot see the chart. Okay, cannot see the list. Okay, SCG Monday they have a pump. Tuesday, Wednesday is more on the profit-taking activities, some retracement. Okay, so far they are still above 130 lah. So you take note. Stay above 130 is still okay. But if they break below 130, they may retrace down further. Maybe they might come back down to retest the 20 MA. Okay, Greatech for me is a profit-taking lah. Okay, they unable to clear the 200 MAs. Okay, let me see. Okay, Greatech no matter how, I also mentioned when they come to 200 MAs or the previous resistance, okay, for rebound trade, yeah, best is partial profit dulu. Okay, because you can see today the closing also got closed with some profit-taking activities. So 239 would be your immediate resistance. Okay, so for me already hit the target and at least do a partial profit lah. Okay, so another partial you want to fight, then you can fight on lah. So yeah, maybe you can make sure the price above 228, then okay. But if they close below 228, maybe I will close another half. If for me lah. Okay, if for me. Okay, how about Genting Malaysia? Wah, tak cantik ya. Okay, Genting Malaysia seems like 230 is their resistance. Oh, not able to clear. Then today they break below 224. Seems like they might come back down to retest a 215 level. Okay, if they break below 215, they may come back down to 210. So for me, they sideway for so many weeks already. They just pull up to 230 only. Then they might come back down. Okay, so now they are more likely to retest 217, 215 lah. So we see any support when they come back down to retest. Okay, capital A. Okay, also not so strong. Holiday finish lah, no more flying lah, right? Okay, so yeah, if we look back, capital A, their previous high was somewhere around 112 back in August 2023. Okay, then yeah, when they hit here, they come back down to 70 cents level. Okay, now what we can see, the high is getting lower. Okay, breakdown 1 ringgit. Okay, not so strong lah. I would say short term not so strong. So they might come back down to test a 915 or 860 level. Okay, long term they are still okay because they are still above 200 MAs. But short term, I would say a little bit weak. Lah. More like profit taking activities, or they might go sideways. Salute. Okay, hold on. I need to scroll up and see. Okay, salute. Salute not good lah. Salute. Or for me, they already officially break down below 590. Okay, which is a 200 MAs. So for me, I will skip first and only monitor. Unless they can recover back above 590, then okay. Plytech we covered already in the beginning. Okay, in the I think it's the first few counters. Okay, WCT still okay lah. Still okay. Okay, what we can see on Friday, 3rd of January, they have a huge volume pump out. Okay, the next 2 days is more on the profit taking activities, but not very huge sell down. Okay, still okay. So for this case, yeah, I would take no 945 lah. So long the closing price stay above 945, I would say still watchable lah. Okay, still watchable. And JT Group. Yeah, for those who yet to click like, please go and click like. I always see the like macam tak cukup leh. Okay, JT Group at the resistance now. Okay, as you can see, this is a resistance back in August 2024. Okay, yesterday they already hit 555. Okay, so but if you still want to fight on, okay, if short term momentum, maybe I will take note on 520. Stay above 520. Maybe short term still got momentum to hit or break above 555. Okay, but if they close below 520, they may come back down to 550 cents level. But for me, those who planned earlier, I think 555 is our one of our target lah. Okay, if you already take partial, then you want to fight for another upside, then you can do a trading stop at 520. MTech. Okay, MTech come back to support. Okay, so you can see they pull up, they sell down, they pull up, they sell down. Okay, so take note 122, 120 is your immediate support for MTech. Okay, stay above, I think it's still okay lah. ECA. ECA is still okay. Okay, just that they sideways here for 1 month already. Okay, not really move to anywhere. Okay, despite today market sentiment not so good, the closing still acceptable lah. So I guess the game is still on, the structure is still nice. Okay, so long above 245, okay, still alright. Okay, above 245 is still okay, and today closing price 270 lah. So if you can get as low as possible and above 245 is still okay. Okay, your cut loss is 240 or 235 lah for these counters. Okay, MTech, your support is 122, 120. UEMS. Oh, UEMS, even though yesterday got a rejection, today closing is still alright. So this one, I think watchable. Okay, for me, maybe I will look at somewhere around 110 and 111. Okay. And so long the closing price above 105 should be alright for UEMS. Okay, how about the Renhu? Renhu is still okay. Ever since they break out above 149150, they are still above lah. So long above 149150, still okay. So today closing price 152 lah. So your cut loss, you know where to set already, below 149 lah. Okay, and yeah, so quite near to the support. So agak there lah. Affin Bank. Affin Bank now is more on sideways. Okay, so today also got some rejection now. Okay, ideal immediate support would be 285. Okay, 285, 280. Okay, 10 on here. And they are more into the consolidation zone. So look for the support to KF below 280, 285 lah. Next one. Let me see what is HM. Tak cantik leh, this one. Okay, this one penny for me is super high risk. Okay, if you're interested, make sure they are above 180, then okay lah. Okay, MyEG. Oh, actually today also got quite many stocks okay punya. Okay, MyEG, as I mentioned before, 940, 960 was a resistance, now turn into support. Okay, so long above 940, still okay lah. Okay, Ecoworld. Okay, Ecoworld still okay, still going up. They are still above all moving averages. Okay, just recently they have a little bit topish at the 215 level. So I think they might come back down to retest. Okay, so far they are still okay lah. If you are short-term, mid-term, long-term holder, no problem. Just you need to consider whether you want to take profit at 215 or not, or yeah, otherwise they might come back down to retest a 20 MA and slowly going up. Okay, depends on your strategy, but I would say they are still okay lah. Okay, they are still okay. Okay, how about the WONG? Wong, unfortunately lah, on Monday they have a good breakout with volumes, but Tuesday rejection. Okay, so seems like they are just a pump and dump. Okay, habis already. Okay, yeah, most likely lah. But if you still want to give them hope, I think they might come back down to retest a 255 or 260 level. Okay, I guess they might come back down to test a 255, 260 level and continue sideways. Okay, this is a Wong lah. IOIPG. This one more into the sideways, as at least they recover back 200 MAs lah. Now 220. Yeah, I guess it's still okay lah. They are more into a sideways zone lah. Okay. And in a long-term point of view, they are in the uptrending. Okay, so I think it's still okay. Okay, time.com. Wow, no good lah. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, for time.com, 455 is your immediate support. Okay, actually the whole 1 year, 2024 February onwards, they are in the sloping downtrend. Okay, and currently they are below the 200 MAs. Okay, now take note on here. 455 is your immediate support. Okay, 455 is your immediate support. If fail to hold, they may go to 440, then 420 level. Okay, this is a Timecom. Wow, so many stocks. MISC. Oh, tak cantik this one. Okay, MISC already below 200 MAs. Okay, a downtrend since last year August downtrend. So 720, 7 ringgit, 685. I think, yeah, I will consider take note at 7 ringgit level. Okay, 7 ringgit and 685 lah would be better. Okay, since today have a strong sell, then why not wait lower if can. Dialog just now covered already. I feel Dialog not so attractive yet. Okay, If they can dive down to 170 plus minus, then I think that would be a better level lah. A Health. A Health also tak cantik, downtrending. And yeah, their next level are 234, 227. Okay, this is A Health, TMC Life. Okay, I left 5 minutes, so I will choose lah. Huh? Okay, let me see. On TMC Life. Also very illiquid counters. Downtrending. The only attractive is recently they have some volumes lah. Okay, the only points only. So maybe I can put at the gap here, somewhere around 510 and 50 cents level. Okay, this is your immediate support. Wellcore also tak berapa cantik ya. 147, 143 is your S1, S2. Okay, but yeah, I think here lah 143 would be a better support. Okay, Atams. Okay, sorry, some I need to skip. So I try to, everyone will have, I will answer at least 1 or 2 counters lah. So it will be fair for everyone. Otherwise, we will overrun. Okay, Atams volume boleh tahan, okay. Second, third, 6, 7, 8, the volume, average volume, okay, boleh tahan. So just because they are below 200 MAs lah. Okay, so this one, as long as they are above 285, I think ada chance lah. Just matter of time. Okay, maybe they might sideways for some times until a breakout above 325. Maybe they might have some further movement. Okay, so let me see. RHB. Let me see. RHB short term a little bit weak, but mid-term to long-term, they are still in a very good uptrending mode. Okay, so long above 6 to 8, I think they are still okay lah. 99 Smart. Okay. 99 Smart. I cannot say buy or sell lah, but I can say they today break down. Okay, yesterday break down 240 lah. Okay, they also break below 2050 MA. Okay, this indicate that short term a little bit weak. Okay, their next support I would say is a 230 and 225. Okay, this is more crucial. Crucial one is a 225 level. Okay, now maybe they still got chance to make a comeback. Okay, maybe they will just test 230 and rebound, or test 225 and rebound. Okay, but if they break here, memang no good lah. Okay, if they break below 225, memang no good. Okay, now I will say for short term, they are weak because they already broken down below the 2050 MA. Okay, so seeing they might come back to retest here lah. Okay, whether they can get supported or not, I'm not sure. Tapi what I know is if they break below 225, memang no good lah. Okay, Hawk. Hawk is still in a sideway. Okay, let me see. S1, S2. Okay, 430, 440. Okay, cannot break down lah. Break down 430 memang no good. Okay, RCE. Sorry. Recap. Okay, let me load a little bit. RCE. CAP. RECAP. Okay, tak ada Let me try. RECAP. Okay, let me know the exact name. Okay, too many stocks already. I couldn't remember every stocks. Okay, so later review again. Okay, how about the CapNet? CapNet, they not able to stay above 470. Okay, yesterday a little bit profit taking activities. Even they close high. Okay, but you can see a a mini shooting star like candle with volume. Looks like some profit taking activities. So seems like they might come back to test a 440 or 40 cents level. Okay, so long they are above 40 cents, they are still okay. Okay, so depending on your intention for these counters lah. Okay, so take note your immediate support 440 and next one 40 cents. Okay, how about JT Group? Okay, JCY we covered JCY covered. Okay, JT Group. Yeah, still okay lah. Oh, RCE. Okay, RCE. Okay, JT Group. Okay, they have volumes pump on second and also volume on yesterday and today. Despite with a bearish candle, but the volume is for me it has extremely low lah. So it's still okay. Okay, so this one I would say the overall structure is still okay, but yesterday they already hit one of my target lah, which is at the 555. Okay, which is at 555. So I think this one is still okay for the JT Group. Okay, let me go down. JCY we covered already, so we go for the Econ Berhad. Econ Berhad yesterday hit 495, come back down to retest. Okay, tenor on 460, 455. Okay, 455 If they close below, then tak berapa cantik. Okay, maybe they may go down all the way to maybe 425 level. EDEL. Okay, as yesterday mentioned before, hit resistance already lah. 365, 375. Okay, today more on open gap down, close low. Okay, take note 340 cannot break down. Okay, once above, as long as above 340, okay lah. Okay, fight above lah. Okay, how about the Jaya Tiasa? Jaya Tiasa more on profit taking mode, okay, or more on correction mode lah. Okay, they already broken down 128. Now closing price 125. I think they might come back down to 120 zone, okay, which is maybe 115 to 119 level. Okay, this is a Jaya Tiasa Gamuda. Oh, today got some profit taking kind of candle. Okay, depends on your short-term, mid-term, long-term views lah. Okay, long-term, mid-term, no problem at all because on and off they will have some profit-taking activities lah. Okay, but if you are short-term, then maybe you need to take note on the, maybe I can put a middle lah, 505 lah. Okay, above 505 still okay. Below 505, maybe they may come back down to 20 MA level, which is somewhere around 480. Okay, so depends on your intention. If you are swing trader or what, I think it's still okay lah, no issue at all. Okay, UUE new counters July last year faces some resistance 915. If I zoom out, see previously the resistance should be 915, 935. Okay, now they are more on some profit taking activities, resistance and support. So you turn on 840, 830. Okay, stay above still okay, go below tak okay lah. Okay, this is a UUE. SY Group. Okay, what you can see on the pattern, uptrend, downtrend, uptrend, downtrend. So now more into the sideway lah. Okay, these counters above 200 MA is still okay. Quite in liquid. Quite volatile punya. Okay, now they are more into the sideway mode. Okay, for immediate support, maybe I will put at the 815 level, immediate support. Okay, most likely will go sideways dulu lah. And cannot go below 750. Okay, if one day below 750, memang tak okay already. Okay, I would say tentatively they have nothing much. Okay, most likely sideways sajalah. Okay, how about the Coraza? Okay, Coraza is still alright. Okay, still alright. Okay, most importantly, actually they already hit the target lah. 60 cents. Okay, if you enter earlier one, here is your at least partial profit around here lah. Then another partial you can use a trading stop. Okay, make sure the price above 570, then okay lah. Okay, RCE. Okay, RCE. Make sure they are above 148, 150. Okay lah. Short term they are weak. Long term they are still in a uptrending mode. Okay, so long above 148, still okay. Okay, last one is a MI. MI. Oh, MI memang tak boleh go through. Okay, MI as mentioned before, here got a gap. Okay, now they already hit here. Okay, not able to clear through. So I think they might come back to retrace down a little bit more. Okay, so take note on the retrace level, maybe to 215 is your immediate support. If they break down, they might go to 205, 2 ringgit level. Okay, so okay to entry. I think not okay yet. Okay, tapi you can monitor 215 or maybe 205 level. Okay, depends on the market sentiment. Okay, last one is a Supermax lah. Okay, Supermax retraced lah. Okay, go up so much already. Must come down. Okay, so if we base on here, back in the 2022, April resistance. Now they break out, turn into support lah. So for me, I prefer to round up to 115. Okay, then on 115 as your immediate support. But for me, they might retrace down further. Okay, for short term, yeah, they do face some profit-taking activities, especially the volume also increasing lah. So I would prefer wait for some bullish candle come back around here. If they come back, then I only consider to EP. Okay, if they continue go down, then wait until the first bullish candle appeared, then would be a better choice lah. Okay, so this one, since they go up so much already, let them wash down and go sideways. Only monitor also can, or only plan for entry. Okay, so that's all for today. And if you yet to join my Telegram, you may screenshot this. Later I will share the valid watch list or the good structure one. I will share inside the Telegram. Okay, and thank you Sifu for having me here. If you're yet to download Sifu apps, please go and download now. They are available at the iOS and the Google Play Store, and also they do have an interactive live chat. For those who need a live chat, you may subscribe to their services. And those who yet to join my Telegram channel, you may screenshot this QR and also screenshot and click to join in later lah. Okay, later I will share the watch list of the day. Okay, what discussed today, then maybe tomorrow onwards you can monitor lah. You see whether good for you to do some practices. Okay, so that's all for today, and we see you on next Monday 8:30. Thank you everyone. Yeah, please click a like lah. Okay, thank you.